Take this shot will boost your gut, eliminates any parasite and improve your overall health. Nowadays, many people have started using more natural remedies than medicines. One of the most famous and most beneficial is definitely turmeric. It's considered to be a miracle of the nature with amazing benefits for our body as well as our mind. It is a spice with dark yellow color which is abundant in nutrients. It improves our health in many different ways. These are some of the best benefits turmeric has to offer to us. Its active ingredient is called curcumin. It contains an abundance of bioactive substances and is considered to be an anti-inflammatory. It can help us against numerous health problems, fights inflammation. Turmeric can really help us treat some inflammatory diseases which are chronic. Some of them are Alzheimer's, arthritis and heart diseases. Improves our brain function. Curcumin is known to increase the BDNF hormone found in our brain, but it also improves its function. We can treat numerous degenerative diseases with it. Fights depression. Consuming turmeric regularly can help us regulate the levels of hormone in our brain. We can fight some disorders like, for example, depression. Here, we're presenting you one of the best recipes for regular consumption of turmeric. It contains apple cider vinegar, too. It will help us prevent infections, treat digestive problems and fill our body with nutrients. Another benefit is that it can destroy all the parasites and improve the health of your gut. Apple cider vinegar can help us create balance in our body and restore the necessary hydrochloric acid balance. It promotes the creation of good bacteria. Consuming apple cider vinegar regularly will help your colon function properly. It is full of antifungal, antibacterial properties etc. It can help us improve our metabolism, regulate our levels of cholesterol and decrease our weight. Apple cider vinegar is full of beta-carotene, various vitamins, pectin, minerals like sulfur, magnesium, potassium, iron, calcium, fluorine, phosphorus, chlorine, sodium, etc. When you combine apple cider vinegar and turmeric, you obtain an amazing recipe that will improve your complete health. Ingredients: 4 cups of water, 1/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 of a cup of honey, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Instructions: First, you'll have to boil the water. Then, remove the pan from the heat. Add all the ingredients inside. Stir well so that they can all be dissolved. Keep the drink in your fridge. Take 1 glass of this drink every morning. Make sure you drink it on an empty stomach, prior to having breakfast. The results will appear very soon. Enjoy your healthy life. Amazing health benefits of avocado seed you have to know. While most of us are used to slicing an avocado in half and throwing out its seed, or maybe even replanting it, it has been proven that many of the health benefits attributed to avocado are in its seed. Although this surprising news sounds a little problematic due to the hardness of the seed, there is nothing to worry about, since you can use it without any problem, and even enjoy a wonderfully refreshing drink that will strengthen your body and improve your health. Spend a few minutes learning about the health benefits of the avocado seed, and there's no doubt that the next time you cut your favorite fruit, you'll no longer throw the extra part of it into the trash. It turns out that more than 70% of the antioxidant capacity attributed to avocados is found inside the seed, which until now we used to remove and throw away. The University of Pennsylvania recently published a study on the health benefits of avocado seeds, which found that phenolic antioxidants found in the seeds may reduce and prevent high cholesterol, high blood pressure, inflammatory conditions and diabetes, as well as strengthen the immune system. In addition, it was found that the seeds contain fungicides and antimicrobial properties. Any heart disease patient must eat the avocado including the seed, claims Dr. Tom Wu, who won the American Cancer Society's Significant Contribution Award and the world-famous doctoral award he received from the UN for his breakthroughs on cancer research and diabetes. It is, therefore, a great opportunity to know the 5 health benefits of the avocado seed. 1. Treats infections. Avocado seeds can reduce infections that can develop and lead to many chronic diseases such as arthritis, heart disease, stroke and even cancer, all associated with acute inflammation within the body that causes the disease. Both avocado and its seeds contain higher levels of antioxidants than most fruits and vegetables, such as catechins that act as anti-inflammatory, analgesic, treat swelling, and maintain joint function. 2. Helps the digestive system function. Another benefit found in avocado seeds is their ability to perform miracles on the digestive system, thanks to the antioxidants and the dietary fibers found in them. Once you add avocado seeds to your daily diet, your digestive system will undoubtedly be grateful, whether it is stomach problems or infections or diarrhea. 3. Improves skin appearance. Avocado seeds are the perfect food for your skin. The antioxidants found in them can restore the collagen protein that helps make the skin firm and supple, reducing wrinkles, repairing damage to cells by free radicals, and improving skin appearance and texture in general. 4. Contributes to a sense of satiety over time. The avocado seeds are rich in fiber, which can keep you full for a long time. Moreover, they can help control blood sugar, and once your blood glucose level is stable throughout the day, you are less likely to be tempted to eat foods that are unhealthy and even harmful. 5. Destroys cancer cells. A study conducted at Columbia University in 2013 found that avocado seed extract had pro-apoptotic effects on leukemia cells. This means that this extract causes the leukemia cells to destroy themselves, leaving the healthy and stable cells in the body. In addition, avocado seeds contain flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants that can thwart the growth and spread of tumors. And now for a special avocado shake recipe. This is a delicious and healthy shake that you can prepare in just a few minutes and enjoy the health benefits of all its wonderful ingredients. Ingredients: 1 cup nut milk, of your choice, can be swapped for a glass of water. 1 pear. 2 handfuls fresh spinach. Half an avocado seed. Half an avocado. Half an apple. A little bit of grated ginger, to taste. How to prepare the avocado shake. Put all the ingredients in the blender, blend until you reach a uniform and thick mixture, pour the drink into the cup, and enjoy its exquisite taste full of health. You may not realize these 8 habits are putting you at risk of sickness. Many of our daily habits could be sabotaging our longevity. Some people might believe that they're the picture of health because they're excellent at maintaining their vitamin intake and exercise regularly. However, many don't realize that their habits are putting them at risk of sickness. Below are 8 of the worst culprits. 1. Your flu shot fear. Every time you encounter the intense inflammation that can accompany the flu, you release chemicals that can damage blood vessels and may increase the risk of inflammatory rooted diseases such as heart disease later in life. 2. Your unpredictable schedule. One of the biggest stressors in life is not finances or marriage but the lack of a regular routine. Even eating lunch an hour later than usual can spike levels of the stress hormone cortisol and disrupt your body's ideal state. Therefore, you really should try to exercise at the same time every day, 365 days a year. 3. Your fruit and vegetable selection. By the time produce has traveled from its source to store shelves, it will have lost many of its disease-fighting compounds. Therefore, you should buy local fruit and vegetables. If this is not possible, stick to frozen, which are prepared at peak ripeness to lock in nutrients. 4. Your gym workout. Even if you exercise vigorously, spending the majority of the day sitting down could affect blood sugar, cholesterol, and blood pressure. Therefore, you should try to find little ways to keep moving all day long. 5. Your nail biting. This can wreak havoc on your health. In a small Turkish study, 76% of nail biters tested positive for diarrhea and vomit-causing bacteria, compared to just 26.5% of non-biters. 6. Your smoking habit. If the cancer risk isn't a good enough reason to quit this vice, here's another one. Smoking can decrease your immune function, making you much more likely to catch a cold, flu, or pneumonia. 7. Your unwashed bed sheets. Dust mites love your warm, dark bed almost as much as you do. While they are relatively harmless by themselves, their droppings and discarded body fragments can trigger allergic reactions and asthma. Therefore, you should get into the habit of regularly washing your bed sheets. 8. Your lack of sleep. While we should get 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night, only half of Americans actually reach that goal. However, skimping on sleep can do more than just decrease your energy levels. Not sleeping enough can leave you vulnerable to illness, because your cells cannot fully recharge without enough rest.